At Lambda School, we offer a new approach to tuition called an Income Share Agreement, or ISA. You don't pay tuition up front. Instead, after you graduate, we'll help you land a high-paying job. Then you'll pay us back with a percentage of your income for a limited time. Here are the 3 basics about ISA contracts at Lambda School. 1. It's not a loan. There's no interest, no down payment, and best of all, no debt. Instead, you agree to share a percentage of your income for a limited time. 2. It scales with you. Once you land a job that earns the minimum amount, you'll pay us back with a percentage of your income as a monthly payment. If your income falls below the minimum, your payments will pause until your income reaches the minimum again. And before you know it, your payments end for good. 3. It ends easy. Your contract is finished once you've completed the monthly payments or reached the payment cap, whichever comes first. And after 5 years of deferred payments, your ISA expires, even if you've paid nothing. We're investing in your future. Let's launch your career. Learn more at lambdaschool.com/ISA.